fuck? Does it go anywhere? What the fuck?
Dude, this is like the electrical work. Look at it. That's great.
Hold on. Fucked. No, other side.
Damn, that's creepy. The fan spin.
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
This is a whole transformer in this bitch. Feels squishy.
Bro, this is crazy. These are so much more intact. Like, these are marble, bro.
(2003, 2004), business to business. That shit's sweet.
I know. Some
Gotta
tweaker
go
was,
back to this way again.
some tweaker was just sitting in here in this dark ass room, just fucking drinking alcohol. That shit's terrifying. Oh, there's like sludge over here, bro. Yeah. Like legitimate black tarry sludge. I'm trying to get some.